yourself a hug. Excellent. So you start with the pelvis. Good. Other side. Bend the top leg. Straight the bottom. Straight. Very good. Alright. Take that lumbar. Drop that weight. Hey, very nice. Face up. You know you lose brain tissue when you have subluxation? Research shows the gray matter, which is the processing part of your brain, actually decreases when you have these subluxations that we're clearing up. There we go. So we'll take a nice deep breath in. And then exhale, relax. Good. Keep those knees bent. Ooh, wow. Ooh, I felt that down to your toes.